Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. Today is a big down day in the crypto world. Bitcoin has fallen through its support level. So has Ethereum and about 95% of the market. And that really gets me excited. With a little luck, we'll get another 2 or 3 days of it. Now, if it doesn't excite you to have days like this, you need to watch this video because it's really important that you understand how the big money thinks and the big institutions and the money that moves these markets, because they don't normally buy the big rallies. They sell to the dumb money, and I don't want you to be dumb money. So in saying that, if you're not familiar with Cosmos fundamentals, you need to check the playlist, because every trade that I put on is only with coins or tokens that have substantial uh, fundamentals. And I truly believe not only are they going to be around a long time, but they're going to take market share from their competitors. And that's what I think Cosmos is going to do. And it's one of my horses for 2022. Now, let's take a look. As you can tell, we actually opened up this morning, which is better than most of the market. But as you can see, it just fell. It's kind of bouncing off the bottom, but let's look at the 7 day. We started off the year with a little bit of a rally, and then it just faltered, just like the rest of the market. It tried to fight back, but look at this. This is absolutely, hold on, bear with me. This is absolutely, I think it's beautiful. Some people would say it's ugly, but look at that. That's just falling off a cliff. Now, let's look at the longer term. Here's the 12-month. Now, that's looking pretty good, actually. Yes, it's fallen here, but, that's pretty bullish. But let's look at something right here. It has plenty of room to run, because if you draw a line, basically that wasn't too good of a line. About right there, this thing could easily get down in here, easily. Now, I'd be surprised if it comes down and breaks this level, but it probably will test that. I wouldn't doubt it. But you never know. We could wake up tomorrow and it already up in here and you've missed the big down day. So you need to think about that if you're looking to add to your bag at a pretty good position. But in watching this, I would have to suggest that you try to pick it up in here if that's what you were wanting to do. And if it goes again, maybe deploy about 50% of your money right there. If it goes against you and somehow gets down in here, put another 25 and another 25%. Um, if you go ahead and buy it here, that depends on if you're going to be long term. I'm very long term for Cosmos. That's not bad at all. I mean, that's a discount, but I would think that you'd want to go ahead and watch the hourly, which I don't have on here, and just watch it. And it's probably going to trade sideways right here. But if you got in right here, it wouldn't be the worst thing, because you're actually will be in pretty good shape, even if it gets back to um, where it started. That's a pretty substantial drop. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. I just want you to think, though, the smart money, the big funds, they love down days. They are buying right now. I want you to try to learn how to think like an institution. First of all, it's not scared money. They're not worried about, they're not going out of business. They got plenty of money. So it's not scared money. They want to buy at a discount, and you should too. I don't buy breakouts. I'm not that kind of guy. I The only time I want to buy a breakout is if Bitcoin's running for 10 straight days, yeah, I might go ahead and jump into something that's running right behind it for a little while. But I want to get in, and your big money wants to get in on the big pullbacks. Now, think about something. If you got a big institution wanting to deploy, say, $10 million 6 months ago, they're buying Bitcoin at $68,000, $70,000. Well, now it's basically half price. Um, it's like at 38, 30, 36, something like that, thousand. So it's 2-for-1 sale. So where do you think they're going to deploy their money? And they're smart enough to know that it's not just going to allow people to buy it at three three times at a discount. To buy Bitcoin at $20, man, what a gift! I wish it'd fall down to $5. I wouldn't make any more videos. I can promise you that. I'd be gone somewhere. But anyway, that being said, take a look at Cosmos. If you're already in it, consider an averaging down. If you have been looking to enter the market, uh, this might be the time. But I would keep watching the 1 minute and the daily, and see when it starts to trade sideways. With a little luck, it'll pull back, really hard toward the $20, and that would be a good place to enter. Because, like I said, the fundamentals of Cosmos is awesome. But this isn't financial advice. Please do your homework. But remember, guys, um, you want to always try to buy on the down days and average in. That's what I like to do, because if you're wrong or you're early and it goes against you, it just betters your position. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please do so. Smash that like button. Uh, Smash the notification bell. We want you to get these alerts. I'm going to start doing a lot more of the time sensitive alerts. We want you to be part of it, even if you're not looking to buy or enter the market. Just watch it for trading and learning, and leave your comments and questions. I do look at them. And come back, guys. We want you to be part of this community. Good luck, and remember, not financial advice, just my opinion and my thought process. Take care, guys.